Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how, if suppose your toolbar is not present, color bar is not present, or your bottom status bar is not present, how to get back. This is one of the common problem while operating. You get stuck up and you don't get this, where is this thing. Okay, so we'll go for an easy thing, that's color bar. Okay, so let's see this is your right side color bar. Go to Windows, go to go to toolbar, sorry, color palette, and just select this. This is where you get your color palettes. Okay, CMYK, if you need CMYK, then RGB. So here you get every color palette. So I'm selecting RGB, then here is RGB. Okay. Now the other thing is left side toolbar. Okay, so for toolbar what you need to do is right click on the gray bar over upside over here. See, right click on the upside bar, see toolbox, it's being hidden. You get confused, where is my toolbox, and you just get it in problem. So just right click on the gray part over here and click toolbox. Okay, if suppose you forget you if suppose your this is the status bar. This is very important in coreldraw while editing. Most of all designer need on the bottom side, because it's very useful to navigate on colors and outline. So see, if suppose I'm right clicking on the bottom gray part, and see I am hiding status bar. By mistakenly anyone hides and you don't get where is my status bar. So for this you don't have to right click over, because right click won't work over here. For that you have to go on the top side of the gray part over here and click status bar. So here is your status bar. So this is where you get your status bar. So remember these few shortcuts, and thank you.